No environmentally friendly maintenance plan can truly be green without a floor care program featuring a positive environmental profile. EarthSense Green Impact Rinse-Free Speed Stripper and the Spire Metal-Free Floor Finish Sealer achieve that goal. Green Impact is a Green Seal certified fast-acting, low-odor speed stripper without phosphates, butyl, free alkali, or NPE or APE surfactants. Green Seal certified Aspire is a non-zinc sealer finish that produces an immediate wet gloss that is buffable for long-lasting beauty and performance in high-traffic commercial environments.